Hello traders, this is Alla Peters, founder of Fibonacci Trading Institute. In this video, I would like to explain in detail why you would like to join us in this time of the year in annual Alpha Fibonacci Trading Bootcamp. But first, let me remind you, when you come to the website and you receive the pop-up, you can sign up for the trading room where you can see the software in the live markets and start receiving our emails and newsletters. So please understand, on the website, everything explained in detail on the home page. This is proprietary system, traded globally on all instruments, by hedge fund managers, by institutions, by beginner traders. When you listen to the podcasts from these traders and you scroll further down, you can see movies traders made about their lives. You can start understanding much more that this is very unique event. Alpha Brain Fibonacci Trading Bootcamp, November 28th through December 10th, is included in every package you choose. As of right now, we're down to only 6 spaces. So when you will choose lifetime system for any platform, on lifetime software for Ninja 8, with group classes or private mentoring, video library modules, proprietary software, or proprietary system, it will include Bootcamp. So when you click on this link, this is what it explains. It's an additional $3,000 value included to new students only at no extra cost. So the savings offered currently had never been offered before. And this is what we will be doing in the bootcamp, most of which will be included as video recording, which you can view 24/7 during 3 months of group course or 4 months private mentoring. In the live market conditions, you will be learning how to trade as a hedge fund trader during historical market formations. Currently, we are at the historical institutional levels we had not been at in 13 years. You will learn how to identify institutional trend reversals, how to trade, when not to trade, when to make money, when to take profits off the table, and most importantly, when to stop losing money, how to remove pain and speculation from trading, how to trade strategically, and when markets are quiet, we will be focusing on optimizing your brain, because your brain is a hardware that operates your mindset. So when your brain is optimized, your mindset functions drastically better. I mentor you, I coach you how to think as hedge fund traders do, how to take a great care of your brain, of your mind, of your body, because only then you become consistently profitable trader. If the brain is toxic, if mindset is toxic, you cannot be profitable. And that's what will play out when markets are quiet. This is always the most popular event. And again, if you cannot attend live event, it will be recorded for you. And you can view it during 3 months period in the member area. If you are a graduate of the course, please contact me for a special invoice. Graduates of the course or the current graduate club members will receive a special separate invoice. Again, this is the event that never happened before for one simple reason. We are at institutional levels we had not been at in 13 years. I expect extreme volatility. I expect historical market formations. And if you would like to ask questions about the instrument of your choice, you do so in the live group. So if you are a futures trader, stock trader, Bitcoin trader, Forex trader, option trader, mutual fund trader, ETF trader, of course you can join us. And we'll discuss all of this in the live market conditions on average 3 hours per day, starting 9:15 EST on Monday, November 28th, Monday through Friday. We will go with the group speed. We will go with the group volatility. We will go with the market volatility. Trading will be the core. And when markets are quiet, we will focus on optimizing your brain. And that's hopefully answers a lot of your questions about the bootcamp. Again, those of you who are joining us for the first time, bootcamp is included in every package. All the details here or on the home page. Any questions for me? Do not hesitate to contact me. info@fibinstitute.com or 925-257-4298. Thank you traders so much. I look forward seeing you in historical Alpha Brain Bootcamp.